Welcome to the ACCSP Dockside Interceptor application video tutorial. The topics in this section include completing intercepts, correcting intercept times, submitting assignments, upload errors, updating the application version, and deleting assignments. A red checkmark button will be lit up in the bottom navigation bar as long as all required questions have been answered. The completion percentage located in the bottom right corner will need to be 100% for the intercept to be completed. Once complete, the intercept is now locked for editing. To make any changes to a question or response, the intercept must be unlocked using the Unlock button presented at the bottom left-hand portion of the screen. If an intercept is mistakenly started or created in the data outside of your time interval, the time will need to be manually corrected. Please make sure to avoid interviewing anglers who finished fishing outside the assignment time interval. Only anglers that have finished fishing within the time interval may be intercepted. To correct the intercept time, navigate to the Intercept section and select the completed intercepts. Click the Correct Intercepts Time button, shown here. Once at this page, the intercept time can be set within the site time range you previously entered in the Site Details section. Click on the start time and adjust the hours and minutes manually to be able to complete the intercept. Once the time is accepted using the green check icon, click the check icon at the bottom of the screen. Click the Unlock icon. Now that the intercept time has been accepted, the user should select the red check icon to set the intercept to complete again before attempting to upload the assignment. Before submitting the assignment, it's important to understand the counting of initial refusals from both parties to make sure none are missed in the final review of the assignment prior to upload. When an eligible angler is not interviewed from a private boat or charter boat where at least one intercept was obtained, they must also be tallied as an initial refusal. This often occurs when anglers from a boat party walk away while you're interviewing one of them. Please note that interviewers should never include headboat anglers as counted anglers or initial refusals while on a site assignment. For an example, we are currently interviewing an angler from a charter boat, and despite our best efforts to encourage the two remaining party members to stay and participate, they walk back to their car and begin departing the site. These two anglers will be counted as an initial refusal. To tally them as initial refusals, click the button to the right of the group icon and to the left of the angler indicator. When this button is clicked, you are taken to the Counts section. You should now add the two anglers here by either using the drop-down menu or the plus icon next to the initial refusal section. After intercepts, counts, and all assignment information has been filled in and completed, the assignment is ready to be submitted to the ACCSP once the tablet is connected to Wi-Fi. To submit an assignment, press the Upload button in the lower right-hand portion of the Assignment Summary section. Select the completed assignment or group of completed assignments from the entire list of all remaining assignments. Then select the Upload button again in the lower right-hand portion of the Select Assignments to Upload screen to initiate the upload. Please note that while you may upload multiple assignments simultaneously, it is strongly encouraged that users upload one at a time to ensure that the ATA is properly updating and displaying data for completed assignments. When ready, select the Upload button again in the lower left side of the screen to initiate the upload. During upload, a screen appears stating that the tablet is starting upload, and if there were no errors or missed items, then Upload Complete will display. If this message does not appear, then the assignment failed to upload. Please note that assignments can also be uploaded when an individual assignment is open by selecting the Upload button from the Assignment Details, Sites, or Intercepts section. Click the green check icon to finish. Completed assignments will be identified by a green cloud icon on the right-hand side of the screen. To review submitted information, the user can access the ATA's raw data review. There could be multiple reasons for an upload error to occur. Some of the most common examples will be discussed here. For the first example, an error message indicates that an intercept was not complete. This occurs when the interviewer forgot to mark an intercept as complete. To fix this issue, return to that intercept or intercepts and click the red check on the last page in the bottom right corner. Now, reattempt the upload. The upload is now complete. In this example, the error message indicates that the stop button was not pressed. This is simply saying that the user forgot to set a stop time. To correct this, return to the Site Details page and enter in the stop time. Now, reattempt the upload. The upload is now complete. In this example, the site start and stop times are outside the assignment site time. This can occur when the interviewer forgot to click start at the beginning of their scheduled assignment time, or the interviewer did not click stop at the assigned end time and they stopped early, or they went over their scheduled end time. To correct both issues, return to the Site Details page and enter in the correct times. The upload is now complete. In this last example, the assignment number is not valid. This occurs when the interviewer did not fill in the assignment number. To correct this, return to the Details page of the assignment and select the appropriate number and reattempt the upload. Now reattempt the upload. The upload is now complete. When a new version of the DIA is released, the ACCSP will email all state staff. The applications should be automatically downloaded to each tablet when they are fully connected to Wi-Fi. Note that you can check if you have the latest version by going to the About section in the DIA and comparing the release version to the version listed on the ATA. To check for a full strong connection, look at the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right side of the screen and make sure it has the full 3 bars. You can also go to the Settings page in the tablet. Click on Connections and then your Wi-Fi network. Here you can confirm that the tablet has a strong connection to Wi-Fi. If the most up-to-date application version is not downloaded onto your tablet, open the Knox Manage application. The update to the applications should now automatically begin. Delete assignments only after confirming the data has successfully been submitted to the ACCSP. You can check this by contacting the state coordinator and ACCSP staff. To delete the assignment, click on that assignment from your assignment list. Then click on the green trash icon in the bottom center of the screen. On the pop-up page, click Yes to confirm that you want that assignment deleted.